When you sign up to the 30 Days of Data Science program, the main platform you're going to use is GitHub Discussions and, of course, generally GitHub for our communication. So, in this simple tutorial, I'll show you how you can leverage GitHub Discussions and make the most of the 30 days. This is where our GitHub discussion sits, and it is under the 30 days repository. The link is on the screen, as you can see, that will lead us directly to our 30 days of data science specific discussion. Under this, you'll be able to see the different announcements that are made, as well as comments from fellow students. The first thing is, once you're here, look at the main announcement, ensure you've done number one, signed up for the program, and number two, signed up for the Cloud Skills Challenge. After that, we'll be sharing resources every day using a thread like this, sharing resources on what you should be covering that day. The other thing I can tell you is ensure you sort your messages either by newest or top. By newest, you'll be able to see what other learners are saying, and if you sort it by top, you will be able to see what the top messages are. One of the top messages, as you can see here, is a discussion thread reminding you to sign up for the challenge. And every day we'll be posting something like this for the 30-day program, sharing with you, hey, this is what you're supposed to be covering today, and the link to the work that you're supposed to be doing on that day. This will be very useful, and for each day, ensure if you're facing any challenges, you reply to the message down here. Replying is very straightforward in that you can just type your message here in case you need to have it bolded, or in case you want it to be a heading, in case you want it to be slightly indented, or you want it to be a list, something of that sort. You can go ahead and do so. If you want to mention a specific person, probably you want to mention a mentor or one of the program maintainers, this is also something you can do. The other thing is, if you want to quote, if you want to select a reply from this, you can also do the same. This is just an overview of what you will be able to do in case you're facing any challenge. And the other main bit that I do not want to forget is in case you want to insert your code and in case you want to attach files, which you can do so easily. Let's say I want to open the Microsoft logo and you can see it's being uploaded. I'll cancel this reply for now, but that is how you're supposed to be replying to the message of the day. This is only the main discussion for the program, but we'll also have other discussions. We're yet to create them, but we'll create one for project submissions, and then this is one other discussion you need to look at, the discussion on product feedback. And our product feedback, I want to hear from you, want to hear what's not working. During the program, you'll be using tools like Visual Studio Code, tools like Jupyter Notebook on Visual Studio, and of course, Azure. If you're facing any challenge, be sure to tell us. Come to product feedback, and you can use this custom issue. Click on the issue, and then what feedback do you want to give us? So, for example, Azure for students is not working, and then give us your details. So, who is submitting, your GitHub username, what is your role? Probably you're a student. What product are you having a challenge on? Are you giving feedback on? Is the feedback a bug, or is it just a feature request you want from us? And then details on the bug or the request. Once you're done that, submit a new issue and you're good to go. You'll come to the issues section, and from there you'll be able to see different issues that have been submitted by different people. So if you're facing a challenge, for example, uh, cl- redeeming your Azure for students and so on, you'll be able to see them here. And that's it about GitHub discussions.